I burned out like a wandering ember. I shone bright, then my journey was over. What I sought when I ran was back where I began. No matter the rain, no matter the storm, I'm coming home. I'm coming home. Leave open the gate, don't turn off the light.
As usual, I'm able to get set up where I need to be, and this is a decent spot to be able to check everything out, make sure everything's going well. Right next to the storage rooms gives me a little bit of protection, and then of course I can see all the work that's going on as it happens. I'm going to set up some cameras to do as much documenting as I can, and it is out with the old, in with the new.
And the flaws, I just hope that you want it all, it all. We held on tight, but it felt so long. Tell me, where did we go wrong? When you're in the sun and I'm lost in the shade, then who's supposed to lead the way? The home that you built, sweetness in my veins, yet in the silence we still pay it all. We held on tight, but it felt so long. Tell me, where did we go wrong?
Well, we've got some major changes going on here at Mom's house. As you can see, Mom's got a carport that used to be sitting right there, but she's now moved it because this is going to be demoed. The entire trailer is going to be demoed and put in roll-offs. There's one here, there's one on the other side of this one, and then there's one at the very end of the trailer right there. And they're gonna come through and demo this completely out, and then pour a new pad and bring a new trailer in. So I've got quite a few pictures of the before they came and cut down all of the trees and put the roll-offs, and I'm also going to walk through the house a little bit and just, I guess if nothing else, reminisce. This is where I lived whenever I was in high school and graduated high school and headed off to college, and Mom's been living here ever since. And my brothers and I got together and said the conditions of the home being 45 years old or better, it's just best to, you know, demo it out, get it out of there, and get something new with hardwood floors and you know, not the 45 years worth of accumulation that you can get, and you know, give her a real comfortable, nice place to finish out her lifetime. And hopefully this trailer that's coming out here will give her an opportunity to live another 20 or 30 years. Certainly my prayer. I will tell you this, her cat Punky is not happy about all of the goings on, but she's comfortable enough to at least hang out. She's got a spot there to lay. Obviously that won't last long because she's gonna have to jump up when they come back in with the demo. But what I've done is put Mom's truck underneath the carport, and then I've got a nice comfortable place for her to climb into. And you can see she's enjoying her meal with water just by jumping from the hood over this mirror and into the window. So she's at least got a comfortable place to stay. Got the deck cleared off. A few things that are basically just trash are going to end up in the roll-off. TVs nowadays, that one has a motherboard that went bad on it, and it's more expensive to replace the motherboard than it would be to just buy a new TV. Got the stove out, and it's sitting over by the storage shed. Let me see if it's actually in view. Yeah, it's basically over there, offset by the storage shed. The stove, we're gonna see if we can sell it. And then we're also going to sell that air conditioning unit, which is pretty new. So we're gonna pull that off and put that on that pallet that's in front of the stove. The bedroom up front where Mom lived, this is the living room emptied out and ready to go. And then that bedroom back there where Steve and I lived whenever we were in high school. And you know, like I said, just reminiscent memories that that we'll take with us throughout our lifetime. Got the awning here ready to move off, and we're going to try to salvage that so that when we build a deck on the new trailer, we can reuse that. And they're right now getting the septic capped off, and once they get that, we'll turn the power back on to the shed, and the real demolition will start.
dark on a road with old familiar feelings. I know I hear a song, but it ain't so clear. And when it rains, it falls hard, and there's a weight of carried so far. But will we fly or will I fall here? You are the answer, you are that real love. I throw my hands up, I throw my hands up. I give it all to you, I give it all to you, God. I give it all to you, I give it all to you, I give it all to you. Give it all to you, God. I give it all to you. I give it all to you. Give it all to you. Every hope, every plan, every dream that I've ever had, every prize and treasure I found. Yeah. Every light, every smile, every tear of joy that I've cried. Without you it means nothing at all. Yeah. Give it all to you. Give it all to you, God. I give it all to you. I give it all to you. I give it all to you. I give it all to you, God. I give it all to you. I give it all to you. You are the answer. You are that real love. I hold my hands up. You are the answer. You are the real love. I hold my hands up. Give it all. Give it all to you. Yeah. Give it all to you. Give it all. Give it all to you. Give it all to you. Give it all. Give it all to you. Give it all to you. Give it all. Give it all to you. Give it all. Give it all. Give it all. Give it all to you. Give it all to you. Give it all to you. Give it all. Give it all to you. Give it all. Give it all to you. Give it all. Give it all to you. Yeah. Give it all to you. You are the answer. You are that real love. I throw my hands up.
There can't be no light if darkness don't exist. He never left my side. He showed me the way out of all the storms raging at the sea. He gave me back my life. I owe him everything. Rejoice, rejoice, rejoice in the name of the Lord. Forever and always I rejoice, rejoice, rejoice in the name of the Lord. Always.
Well, the backhoe seems to be working just fine. In fact, it's able to get through most, or pretty close to half, the house completely gone. The problem lies with the skid steer. The skid steer blew a hydraulic line earlier in the day, and they drove into town, got a replacement hose, and came out and got it set back up again. And then within 10 minutes, it busted a hose again. And I don't know if it's operator error or if it's just this is an awful big load for such a small piece of equipment, but they seem to be pretty close to knocking it out. In fact, he went through the frame down to the ground all the way to where the front door was. And I kind of wish I had had a camera on this side when it was recording, or I'm sorry, whenever I was catching the action on the other side, because I did want to catch that falling, but I knew that it wasn't going to be very eventful when it did, because it's just connected, as you can see, right on top of the box for the fireplace and attached to the side of the house. On the inside, that's all pretty solid rock, so not real sure if this thing would have traveled well or not. I mean, it's taken quite a bit for it to come apart, and it stayed together while it was getting crushed and twisted. But unfortunately, the skid steer is struggling to get all of the trash picked up and thrown in the haul-offs. So maybe they'll get back and get that thing fixed and at least get another hour or so worth of work in, because I will tell you that all of the work that has been identified here as far as tearing it down with the backhoe has been done within a half hour or 45 minutes. So the backhoe makes pretty quick work of it, but the skid steer seems to be struggling a little.
Leaving this place, the sun's about to break. You're riding shotgun. The feeling we chase, I'm wide awake. Take me away now. 'Cause I won't go down the same old path again now. No, I've been running out of air, so let me catch my breath. Feeling I've got's making me crazy. If I'm having a good time, don't you blame me. Yeah, this feeling I've got's making me crazy, making me crazy. So I'm just gonna drive. I'm just gonna drive. I'm just gonna drive.
All the best, always.
Come down to the underground old school. Here's a shovel. Can you dig it, fool? Can you dig it?